Did you know that something as ordinary as menstrual blood might hold the key to fixing damaged joints? Stick with me, because what I'm about to share could change the way we think about osteoarthritis, and maybe even about periods themselves. First, let's talk about the problem. Osteoarthritis is a massive issue. Over 600 million people worldwide are affected, and it's not just a little aches and pains kind of thing. We're talking about chronic pain, loss of movement, and, for a lot of people, a steady decline in quality of life. Women, in particular, get hit hardest, especially after menopause. The real issue with osteoarthritis is that the cartilage, the squishy stuff cushioning our joints, starts to break down. Instead of gliding smoothly, bones rub together. Ouch. And the treatments we have now? Most just mask the pain. If things get really bad, doctors might suggest replacing the whole joint. That's a pretty intense fix for something we haven't figured out how to truly repair. Until now, maybe. So here's where things get wild. Scientists have found that menstrual blood, yep, the stuff that most people never think twice about, actually contains a treasure trove of powerful stem cells. Every month, these cells help rebuild the lining of the uterus. But it turns out, they could be doing so much more. The breakthrough comes from a team at the Innovative Medicine Center. They discovered that these menstrual blood stem cells secrete tiny packages called extracellular vesicles, or EVs. Think of EVs as nano-sized care packages filled with proteins, lipids, and microRNAs. Basically, the secret sauce for healing and communication between cells. When researchers took these EVs from menstrual blood and introduced them to damaged cartilage cells in the lab, some incredible things happened. The cartilage cells not only absorbed the EVs, but they also kicked their repair process into overdrive, producing more of the essential building blocks that give cartilage its structure and strength. Even tissue from patients with severe osteoarthritis, stuff that was headed for the trash after surgery, responded to this treatment. It's like giving your joints a second chance at life. What's especially cool is that this approach doesn't actually use the stem cells themselves, just their secreted factors. That means less risk of complications like rejection or the cells turning rogue. It's called cell-free therapy, and it could hit clinics in the next 5 years. Imagine the possibilities. One day, women could store their own menstrual blood in their youth, and if they develop joint problems later in life, use their own body's resources to heal themselves. That's personalized medicine at its finest. Of course, there's still a lot to learn. Scientists aren't sure exactly which part of the EV cocktail is doing all the heavy lifting. But what's clear is that we're on the edge of a new era in treating osteoarthritis. A future where what once seemed like medical waste could become the foundation for healing. Mind blown? Same here. Thanks for watching, and if you found this as fascinating as I did, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more science surprises.